channel. Welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I got this small haul for y'all, and I'm sure it's something else I'm forgetting. I'm just so tired right now, but I want to do this, and we're going to go ahead and go through this and get this over with, okay? I went to Hobby Lobby, and I know I said I wasn't going to buy anything else. It didn't quite work, so I bought more stuff. And the craft fair is in about 30 days. It may even be less than 30 days. And I'm going to try to finish all of my projects, because I still have a little straggling projects lingering. Like I need to finish up the gratitude journals, make sure I got all those done, because actually they were all finished, and then I got some more, so I'm gonna make sure those are finished. I need to package up the rest of the cake in a mug, you know, things like that. So I'm gonna spend the rest of this week packaging some things, and then once I get everything packaged, then I'll go back and complete any other projects, and I won't start any other projects until the new ones are done. So, but I want to share this little small haul with you guys. I went to Hobby Lobby. Well, first of all, I went on Amazon and I got these colored jumbo paper clips. What's her name? Dina. I think her YouTube is Crafty Crafts by Dina, and I will link her channel below if I don't forget. And her name is spelled D-E-A-N-N-A. I think that's how she spelled it, because I had a hard time trying to find her again. But she did a craft fair project using these and this rosette trim, so that's why I got these rosette trims. So I got 50 of these. They're 10 colors, 5 per, okay, it's 50, 5 per color, okay? And the colors are black, looks like a salmon or a pink, more of a red, a lime green, purple, a teal blue, then I got a deeper blue, white, yellow, and I think orange is in there somewhere too, maybe. I thought it was, maybe not. But anyway, these are the colors that I picked up. Well, that I ordered. I ordered a multi-pack, and so I just figured that was my best bet. But I did go to Hobby Lobby, and these rosette trims were on sale. They were half off, so I got the peachy color, I got the black color. Well, black isn't the color, it's a shade, but I got black, I got white, I got this like dark pink, then I got a softer pink, I got this red right here. Let me move these out the way. I got this green right here, this mint color. I got this cream color right here, and I got this print, which is, it's actually very pretty. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I like that. And I'm going to attempt to make the rosettes like she did, almost, not quite. And then I'm gonna do that in another video. But she cut the rosettes off and matched them to a paper clip and glued them on. It was cute to me, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna do it for you guys so you guys can tell me what you think. And I went to, I was still at Hobby Lobby, and I went to the section, I went to the Tim Holtz section. His stuff was 40% off, and you know I'm doing those Steampunk paper clips, and here they are again, and they are all nice and dry now and stable. And I forgot to get more E6000, but here are the first batch of the Steampunk paper clips. And so I got these things in order to do some more. Like I said, I want to do at least 10. If I have more, I may do more if I have enough stuff left over. But I got these clock faces here. I got these brads to go in the middle of these clock faces, and maybe these things. I didn't get the hands. I know I have some hands somewhere. I just don't know where they are, but I'm not going to trip if I can't find them. These right here were spare parts. And I don't think the spare parts were on sale, but I got these flowers here. And I got these 2 sets of gears. Some big ones and some small ones. And the last thing I picked up at Hobby Lobby was a paper pad. And it's called Season's Greetings. And let me flip it a little. Oops, I can't. There we go. Let me see if I can do this real quick. It's not going to be anything. Lord have mercy. They really got this sucker taped down. Let me see if I can do it at an angle. Okay, here we go. And I'm just haphazardly showing you guys, because I really wanted some of this paper to do some Christmas themed projects, because I don't have that many. I'm going to do a few Christmas journals, and you know, I did one, what was that, one paper purse with the note cards, so I may do one of the few of those. So that's why I got that, and to do some more of the mug shaped pockets for the hot cocoa. I'm trying to wait for the candy canes to come out. When they come out, I can finish packaging those up. But I went to ClearBags.com because the bags that I had chosen for the cake in the mug, I did not like them. To me, they were not clear. I know you like Tasha, really, for real. They're just gonna take them and throw them out. I know. But it bothered me that the bags did not seem to be clear to me. They seemed cloudy. And they were just some Dollar Tree bags, so what you get, 50 for $1? So I'm sure they weren't clear like I wanted them, like I was hoping for. But I got these, and I think these are a better deal. I hope they work, because I do not want to order any more of these things. But these are the gusseted bags with the round bottom. Do I have one of the mugs up here? I do not see one. Let me, come on bag. I'm trying to get this bag to open. And I think these are heat sealable. So when I put everything in, I can heat seal it, and it should hold everything in place. So let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I can find a mug. Okay, I'm back with one of the mugs that I'll be using for the cake in a mug. And let's see if it's going to fit in here. It don't look like it's not going to fit. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's not going to fit. Oh, Lord. Okay. It's not going to fit in here. I am so not happy about this. I'm really not. I may have to use that anyway. It does fit one of these type. This is my Starbucks mug. It will fit those. See how it has a little white bottom, the cardboard bottom to hold it together. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm so hurt right now. Oh my gosh. I am so hurt right now. Okay. But I still got time. I may actually go back and see if they have some bigger ones with the rounded bottoms. And I did see another tutorial on like pumpkin spice oatmeal cups or something like that. And that would probably fit well in here, but I'm just so hurt right now. And the last thing I got from Clear Bags for right now are some clear retail bags. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some, what are those, the clear labels. So I'm going to put, I'm going to use, good Lord, I'm going to print some labels off on my color laser printer, and put my name here and maybe even the QR code so they can make it to my Etsy page and or my YouTube channel. And this is what I'm going to be putting my products in that people purchase. Now, if they purchase something small, I got to get some smaller bags, and I think they got some cutie ones at Dollar Tree. At least they don't. They should be coming out real soon anyway, because this is about the time they bring out, you know, the really cute bags. So I use those for smaller things, but if they order a traveler's notebook, this is what they will get. But other than that, they have to get something smaller because nothing else is as big as the traveler's notebook. That's why I got these bags so big, so that my notebooks, those traveler's notebooks, can fit. Okay guys, that's it for the haul part of this. I would like to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.